If you have apraxia, you know what you want to say, but you have difficulty positioning your lips, jaw, or tongue to say it. In some cases, apraxia can be severe enough that you cannot communicate effectively by speaking. People who have the condition have normal muscles, but the brain pathways involved in speech are affected. When it comes to acquired apraxia, recovery is possible, and an AAC device may be able to aid in the process. Lingraphica AAC or speech-generating devices are designed to help you communicate and improve your verbal speech. These devices are specifically created with ease of use in mind to help you communicate and improve your verbal speech. With a simple tap of a finger, a Lingraphica device can quickly help you get your words out. Easily add or edit icons, words, or phrases with a few simple clicks. Use pre-programmed mouth position videos to practice using your muscles to make certain shapes. Personalized videos can also be added, so you can practice saying things that are meaningful to you. Use the device to get a kickstart and cue your own speech. These devices are appropriate for any stage of recovery. They come pre-programmed with common words and phrases, so you can hit the ground running. But you have unique needs, which is why they are also simple to program. Adding icons that are meaningful to you takes no time at all. This way, you can achieve your goals, whether that's connecting with friends and family, participating in a hobby, or being more independent in the community. There are other key methods of communication built in as well, such as a whiteboard for drawing and writing, and a keyboard for typing text to be said out loud. Each person with apraxia is unique, so the way you use your device should be too. Lingraphica devices are covered by Medicare, Medicaid, veterans, and commercial insurance. In fact, 97% of our device users paid nothing. For more than 30 years, we've helped countless others improve their communication and quality of life. Our team is ready and waiting. Contact us today for a free consultation.